Everybody, so today I'm going to show you a room I won. I spent some money on it. I spent right around $400 on this room. But there's a real nice little safe right there and a bunch of other stuff. It's kind of dark, so I don't quite know how I'm going to show you. Really nice tailor-made golf club set. It's actually Rotex is the brand. But let's see if the safe opens up. Well, I guess I could call and get the code for it, but I think I'm gonna go try to open that first, and then we'll go through the rest of the boxes. All right, I'm gonna go get the cart. So I'm just gonna pull this safe out now. Got a bunch of boxes of paper. On top of, oh, this is something else. I'll have to look at that. Maybe we'll cheat and look at this. It says pieces to the clock. But it'll be interesting. I kind of want to see if there's anything in the safe. It's heavy. It sounds like I heard something. I don't know if you guys heard that, but I'll one more time. Ready? Here it goes. Definitely something in it. So, be interesting. Okay. I'm gonna take this home and then we'll get to the rest of this room. I decided it was too dark. I'm going to come back with lights, but I did hear something in the safe, so I think that's what we're going to go do today. I'm going to open this up and see if, I don't know, it's my scratch off for the day. We'll see if we won. It's kind of heavy, but not terrible. But I definitely heard something jingly in there, so it's, I don't know, probably a $200 safe, but I don't know if I have the patience to wait to find out the combination. All right, on the way to the house. So, made it back home. The safe does work, but there's one problem. I could call the company to get the code, but I still don't have the barrel lock key to unlock it. So I don't know. I think I'm definitely just gonna bust it. I have my trusty hammer. I'm just gonna put this down real fast. We'll try hitting off the hinge and see if that works. I don't think it will though. You never know though. We'll see what happens. Moved it. All right, so that busted the hinge right off. I guess if I take this like that and let's see. But I think there's a bar that goes that way. looking better. Nah, I don't think it's gonna open. I gotta go get a slate bar real fast. All right, be right back. So I got my big heavy metal bar, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that, I'm gonna hammer this wedge in and then be able to put that bar so I can get the leverage to open it. But we'll see. I still think there's like a metal spike holding that together. All right, you can kind of see in here we got enough separation. We'll be able to see if there's anything holding it, but I don't know. It'll open soon. It's going pretty fast, I think. So in here I see a lock box or a jewelry box. I don't know if you guys can see that right down there in that crack. And there's this, I have no clue what that is. Little electrical thing. But hopefully there's some cash. We'll find out shortly. Or treasure. Kinda. All right. I don't see a ton of stuff. It'll be interesting. I haven't quite, I'm thinking that it's held together with this plastic, but I'm not seeing like a metal pin. Maybe it will pry open now. Well, I'm gonna try putting this on the top and maybe it will open up. I don't know. It's always an experiment. each one's put together. Oh, there it is. All right. Just got the door off. It'd be there was money in it at one time, $2,000. Oh, a bunch of $2,000 thingies. BMW key. That might do okay online. There's a lockbox. Oh no, it's all paper. I see $1. Oh. I always get excited. Got some usable stamps. Doesn't look like any envelopes or anything. Oh well. Passport. So sad. I think the BMW key is probably the most valuable thing in here. I got excited because I heard that flopping around. But that's the way it tends to work. No millions of dollars though. Like that guy in everybody hear that? What happened in California? The guy found that much money in a storage room. The owner's manual. Receipts. I guess we'll give back all this personal information. Oh well, sorry that it was not the end-all of end-alls. Lennox special certificate. Yep, all junk except for the stamps and the key. All right, thank you guys. That's how at least I open up a safe with little effort. Just use those 3 tools. So we'll see what else is in the room next episode. Thank you very much for watching. I had bad luck the other day. I had to show you guys. I whacked me and the kids and my girl went to go get our Christmas tree, and I whacked Bambi. There's still some hair, but there wasn't any missing them. Luckily I still had insurance on the car, so we'll see what I get. Either gonna give me a total it, or they'll, pay to fix it. They put a dent in the hood too, and this corner panel got sheared up a little bit, but we'll see. That was my bad luck of the week. All right, if you guys like this video, please let me know. See everybody later. Thank you for everybody who has subscribed. All right, peace. All right, there's something weird underneath that. I don't know if you guys see it. It looks like another passport, but I'm gonna can't quite reach it easily. I don't think it's anything special, but I'm gonna pull that out and just see. Yeah, it was another passport. Oh well, it looked like it could have been something. Of course, there's more money wrappers in the bottom, but all right, I just saw that. I figured I'd show you. All right.